Hey, welcome to another video from SkinnyMedic. So I'm super excited about bringing this pouch to you. Quick story behind it is I was teaching a SkinnyMedic trauma class here in Greenville, South Carolina. And at the very beginning of class, we always do a show and tell. Kind of gets the students talking. I get to learn what they're in class, what they want to learn from class, and then I give them some feedback, positive, negatives on their kits. Maybe some suggestions or, hey, that's a fantastic kit. So, local guy, shows up with a pouch very similar to this. It's sitting there on the ground. His is in multicam. And I was like, dude, that's a freaking awesome pouch. I'm like, I'm a pouch whore. I collect them. I love them. Who makes that? Where can I get one? And he was like, dude, it's an SOE pouch. I'm like, man. I have a few SOE products. I've got a couple belts. I've got the visor covers. And some other medical pouches, but I got this one now. So I got it in a pattern that's going to match my seat covers on my truck. Super excited about that. But this is a kit that could very easily be a basic first aid kit for you. This could be a nice trauma kit for you, a nice range kit. So you can buy the pouch from SOE and then stock it with my stuff from Medical Gear Outfitters. So this is a great USA made pouch. So let's take a look at it, a little bit closer look at it here for you guys. So we'll take a look at the front of the pouch here. You do have the hook and loop for identifier, whatever patch you like to put it on, and you have MOLLE here as well. I attached the SOE Tourniquet Holder here. This is a rip away style that's going to pull here. It's going to open up. I put a cat in here, but you could also put a rat. You could put a soft T, whatever tourniquet you'd like to. With the rip style tourniquet holder here, it has a nice red tab here that you can grab a hold of. As you pull down, your tourniquet gets exposed. You can pull it out. You can pull all the way down. So you can see, you could put a cat in here, you could put a soft T, you could put a rat, whatever tourniquet you want to put is your favorite tourniquet. You can put it in here and secure it back. On the bottom here, you have some elastic bands if you'd like to utilize that. Maybe you do put another tourniquet. Maybe you put some chem lights here. A couple different ideas for you there. On the back here is another cool pocket. And what I decided that I was going to put in this one was this really cool litter right here. So this is a vacuum sealed litter that holds 750 pounds. So I have my stretcher, have my litter. Maybe this is something I need to open up to get a patient out of the woods. Maybe it's something I open up to get someone out of a bathtub or down a narrow hallway. But I have a way to get the patient out using this litter here. I like the red handle here that you can see, so you can grab a hold of. You have red here. Also, since I put the tourniquet holder on the outside, you have red here to pull. I did use a speed stick here to attach it. Also has a nice strap here that has adjustable links to it. That way, if you want to throw it over your side as you're going towards the accident or wherever you're going to, like I said, I'm going to use it to hook across the headrest. I'll show you that here in just a second. You do have the one strap here, so like I attached it here to the headrest. That way if I do get into a wreck, it's not going to hit me in the back of the head. But if I do need it, it's just a simple quick disconnect and grab it. So there's my large MOLLE kit that I keep on the back of the driver's side. And then this kit is a great addition to it. Overall, the pouch is roughly 10 inches by 10 inches by about 4 inches deep. Alright, so this will kind of give you a little bit better idea of what we have inside the pouch. Like I said, I kind of put some supplies in here that's going to supplement my other kits that are already there, well established. So you have 2 rows of elastic bands here, nice and wide, so you're able to fit some good sized products in there. Also on the side, you have some smaller elastic bands, which I did, like the scissors here, a couple chem sticks, there's a Florida compression needle there, and a Sharpie. So kind of some smaller ones around the edges, and then you have large here. On this side of the elastic bands, you have 2 rows. So kind of put some smaller stuff, like here I put the tourniquet bands for IV, tucked them in there. Here's my IV catheters for my IV supplies, which are right here. And then I just attached the blood pressure cuff clip right here. So this is kind of like my diagnosis side here, my treatment side, and then I always, of course, have to keep some more trauma supplies on hand. So, pair of scissors, blood pressure cuff, my stethoscope is right here, I did put some hand sanitizer tucked right here. This is my IV start supply. So I have 2 IV catheters. I have an 18 gauge, a 20 gauge, 2 flushes tucked behind here, and I have a Tegaderm and IV start kit. So everything's from my IV supplies are right here. I did go ahead and put a pulse ox in here. That way I attached it to one of the elastic bands here, but then it can break loose here when I actually need to use it, but it stays tucked and not going to lose it. Over here is 2 compressed gauze. Also put some 5x9s tucked behind there. Here's an Elias pressure bandage. Did a NAR 4-inch pressure bandage. This is the mini one here. Behind there is 2 hyphen chest seals. So I will say this kit was designed as an addition to my trauma kits that I already have in the truck. I've got my large MOLLE kit in the truck that stays behind the driver's seat. I have a full trauma backpack that's in the truck. So I wanted something that would kind of be an addition, an addendum to that to kind of help me. That way, maybe if I need to throw the backpack on and grab this. Maybe it's just something where I just grab this. This has a lot of capabilities just in a hit. So overall, I think this would make a fantastic vehicle kit stocked with the right supplies. You guys are always asking for US made gear, and this is it. So I think this would be a great addition to your vehicle. Put the right supplies in there, and the pouch is going to last you forever. So I would recommend that you follow SOE on Facebook, Instagram, if you're looking for their pouches, because they will post pictures on their Facebook page, Instagram, that says, hey, these are in stock, ready to ship. So if they're not in stock, you may have to wait a while, being honest, for the particular pattern that you're looking for. So follow them on Facebook, Instagram, and you're like, hey, that's the pattern I've been looking for, boom, and order it. So I hope this video helps. You never know when you'll be the first responder. Remember the right gear and the right training.